Hi guys, welcome to another episode of my channel. If you are a new subscriber, please click on the subscribe button below and turn on your notifications so that when I release new videos like this, you'll be the first person to know about it. And for my existing subscribers, you guys are the real deal. Thank you, and thank you. So today on the episode of this channel, I'm going to be talking about dropshipping. Yeah, that is the new deal in town, dropshipping. So let me just describe it this way. Dropshipping is taking another person's product and selling it as yours. That is what dropshipping means. That's just the literal meaning. Now in dropshipping, you do not have to necessarily have the products with you. You just have to liaise with the supplier, then you get the goods and then you send to the final consumer. So it's just a form of you being a middleman between the supplier and the end user. That is just it. That is just the meaning of dropshipping. Now in dropshipping, you do not have to have the products. Yeah, you heard me right. You do not have to have the product, and that is one of the fastest business to start right now at the moment and make your millions from it. So what you have to do in dropshipping is just to get a steady supplier. Note, I said a steady supplier. Somebody that can steadily supply you what your consumer wants. Get a steady supplier, be active on your social media pages, and that's all. So you can now in dropshipping, you need to create a niche for yourself. You need to have a niche for yourself. You can't sell household items today and then tomorrow you're selling jewelry, the day after you're selling gift items. No, you need to create a niche for yourself. So you need to research and think, okay, what do I want to do exactly? What niche am I focusing on? So when you identify the niche that you'll be working on, then you can now begin to search for a supplier. You can check Facebook communities, you can check Facebook marketplace, you can check on Instagram. Just get a supplier in that niche that you've chosen. Talk to them that you want to be selling their products. Yeah, and once they agree that they can be supplying you, that is it. Now after you've gotten a supplier for your products, and the thing is, most times these suppliers, they create a Facebook group, a WhatsApp group, sometimes a Telegram group, where they drop steady pictures every day of their products. Now if you've gotten all of this, you've gotten a supplier, the work now is left to you. You need to be active on social media. You need to create a marketplace for yourself. Your WhatsApp needs to be active, your Facebook needs to be active, your Instagram needs to be active, because that is the only way that you can draw people to your business and to what you're doing. So now I've told you, you need to get a steady supplier for your products. You need to first, before that, you get a niche, you create a niche for yourself. 2, a steady supplier for your product. And then number 3, you need to be active on your social media pages. That way people will begin to know your brand, and then you will need to run ads for what you sell. Do you get what I'm saying? You need to run ads. That way you're trying to create an audience, you're trying to draw people to what exactly that you're doing. So is it that you create Facebook ads or Instagram ads, just something to create visibility for your product, because as a dropshipper, that is what you need. You need to be visible. You need to push what you do to people's faces, and then after that, trust me, the money is going to be coming in. So now this is where the money is. Say you choose an household item. That's what you choose. That's your niche. Now say this tripod stand cost 10 naira from the supplier. Now you as a dropshipper, you might decide to sell it for 20 naira, sell it for 30 naira, depending on the research that you've made and how the prices is with your competitors. You can decide to sell it for 20 naira. Now look at the 10 naira, look at the 20 naira. That 10 naira that you're adding to it, that is your own profit. Now imagine you sell this tripod, you sell 5 of these tripods in a day. Do you understand? That is just an extra 15 naira that is coming into your account while you are seated in your house, and that is it. Now just imagine the constant buzzing and buzzing and buzzing of credit alerts that comes into your phone when you have different products that you dropship, and that is just the fun of dropshipping. Now remember, when you are adding your prices to what the supplier is going to give you, remember to always add the delivery cost, because sometimes it might be difficult when you tell your customers that okay, this thing is 5 naira, and then you now add your delivery cost. So sometimes I prefer to add my delivery cost to the total selling price of my product. That way I don't even bother my consumers or my customers about delivery cost. I don't bother them about that. I don't know what you want to do, but that works for me every time. So when you come and meet me for this product, I just tell you, oh, this product is 20 naira, and that 20 naira I have already included the delivery fee. So even when you ask me for delivery fee, I tell you it's free because I have included it. You get the trick now, and that is it. So that is just how dropshipping works. It is very simple, and it is one of the easiest way to make money on the internet right now. So you can dropship as many products as you want: household items, jewelry, fashion items, shoes, the bags, so many things, electronics. Nobody has to know that you do not own this product. Remember, nobody has to know you do not own this product. You are coming out like it belongs to you. The store belongs to you. The shop belongs to you. The business belongs to you. And then you can even go a step further and then get branded items for your products. And the funny thing is, sometimes these suppliers agree to ship the products down to the final consumer. Some of them are that sweet. I have met sweet people like that they will tell you, just let us know the address of the consumer, they will send it down there. So my people, that is one of the fastest way to make money on the internet right now. I hope that you're able to get something from this short video of mine. Don't forget what I said, a quick recap: get a niche for yourself, get a supplier, be active on your social media pages, and try as much as possible to add the delivery cost to the selling price. It saves you a lot of stress and a lot of questions. So thank you for staying to the end of this video, and if you find this video helpful, please drop your comments below. I want to read from you. And if you want me to also drop videos about other means of making money on the internet, drop your comments below. I'll be dropping an ebook down there that has been fantastic and has helped me on my dropshipping journey. Click on the link below to purchase yours. If you want to talk to me on Instagram, I'll drop my link below. Thank you for staying till the end of this video. I love you all. Mwah. Thank you.